Assalamu alaikum. Today in the WAZWAN series I'm going to show you how chicken AABGOSHT or kokur AABGOSHT is made. This video has been made with the help of Kashmiri chefs or wazas. Kashmiri WAZWAN is royal feast consisting of dozens of varieties, mostly of lamb meat, except a few chicken or veg. AABGOSHT is a very mild curry. Meat or chicken is cooked in milk with very mild spices. So let's get started. Starting with chicken. After cleaning the chicken is cut into two halves. You can see here how they are cutting it, and then they will slit it like this. They'll make few slits on it. Then they will sprinkle some salt and add water to it. They will soak it in kind of a salt water for around 10 to 15 minutes. It has been soaking in salt water for around 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, they have heated up water in boil and added turmeric and salt to it. Once it starts to boil, they will add washed chicken to it and let it boil for a few minutes. They will let it boil for a few minutes and then they will take it out. Here you can see the chicken has been taken out from turmeric water. Now they have taken enough amount of oil, and they have, once it starts to boil, they will add chicken to it, boiled chicken, and they will fry it on all sides like deep fry. And here you can see how much oil they have taken, and the chicken should be brown on surface. So like this they will check. Now to make the gravy, they have taken milk powder. Usually in Kashmir, Warka milk powder is preferred for making AABGOSHT. So they will whisk it with water and keep whisking till it gets mixed properly and there are no lumps. It will get milk-like consistency. Once it's done, now they will be adding spices. Spices include green cardamoms, cumin seeds, cloves and fennel seed powder and salt. They will give it a good stir. Then it will be cooked on flame, and they will keep it stirring till it gets first boil. It's same like yakhni we do for the curd. We wait till it gets first boil. So here you can see it has its first boil now. Now they will take it off the flame to the fried chicken, and they are not going to add any other spices at this moment. They have used a portion of that milk in for chicken, rest it's for AABGOSHT, meat AABGOSHT. Then they will add some saffron water to it and oil, and then they have added dried mint powder. Usually dried mint powder is used in yakhni, but for AABGOSHT, chicken AABGOSHT, you can also add. So here you can see they have added dried mint also, and then they will cook it on flame for some time. While cooking, they will be adding shallot, fried shallot or prawn paste. They will let it cook for some time. Here you can see it, WAZWAN is cooked on fire from the wood. So they will let it cook for some time, then they will take it off the flame and chicken AABGOSHT is ready. It doesn't have a lot of gravy, it has very less gravy and it's very mild with no hot spices. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns, and I'll be leaving an AABGOSHT link in description box to check it out. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.